Welcome to How to Apply KOOL-IT Evaporator Heater Foam Cleaner by Lubegard. It's quick and easy and highly effective. Let's take a look. Did you know that air quality inside a vehicle can be 5 times worse than outside air? Contaminated air conditioning and heater evaporator cores can cause foul-smelling deposits. Lubegard's Evaporator Heater Foam Cleaner is a mildly scented, neutralizing super foam. KOOL-IT is packaged with a 30-inch hose with a special tip to help you break through any clogs and directly apply our product to the HVAC system. Its superforming action flushes out and neutralizes unwanted contaminants. Before applying the product, you'll need to gain access to the evaporator heater core drain, which is typically underneath the vehicle. It may be accessed by jacking up the car, and please, safety first, always back up your jack with a jack stand, ramps, or a secondary failsafe. Once you've located the core drain, let the vehicle run in AC mode until you're able to find where the condensate water is dripping out of the drain tube underneath the vehicle. If it is blocked, you may not see any condensate dripping, in which case you may want to refer to the owner's manual, a local dealership, or a mechanic. Well, now that you've located the drain tube, you're ready to apply the product. I recommend having a waste container nearby before application. Start by shaking the can well. Snake the 30-inch hose up the drain tube as far as it allows. You are now ready to administer the cleaner. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to dispense a separate can into this container so you can see a representation of what is actually happening inside of an evaporator heater core. After you empty the can contents into the evaporator heater core, remove the hose. Move the waste container underneath the drain to catch any dirty liquid. Allow the product to work for 15 minutes and then turn the vehicle fan on to the lowest setting possible and let it run for 5 minutes. The foam will drain as a liquid out of the tube core, removing odor-causing contaminants. The formula can last up to 6 months. After such time, apply as directed. While the preferred application method is via the drain tube, Lubegard foam cleaner can also be applied through interior vents depending on the ventilation setup and requires no drilling or special equipment. Take special care to avoid foam contacting the interior and wipe away excess as soon as possible. This can be used in cars, trucks, vans, RVs, or any other HVAC system that is enclosed and prone to odor. Be sure to use proper ventilation and avoid breathing the dust or mist while applying the product. For more product information, SDS sheets, or for where to purchase this product, head over to our website at www.lubegard.com or send us a message direct at contact@lubegard.com.